Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Desiree, aka La Chavalona. You already know. Period. Okay, anyways, so today I will be making banana bread because you know I got some ripe bananas that came in, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna record this because low-key I've been posting what I make, like baking wise, drink wise, food wise, and I always get good compliments, and they're like, Desiree, why don't you make a video and show us how you do it? So today is the day that I start recording everything that I do, but you know I am gonna record it, so why not? So if you want some good banana bread, keep watching this, give it a like, comment, share, turn that post notification bell on so you can be notified every time I post a video. That was nasty. Anyways, here we go. The ingredients you're gonna need ripe bananas, you know, make them black, you know, chunky a little bit. They taste better when they're like this. Okay, you're gonna need 2 eggs. You're gonna need brown sugar, dark brown sugar, or any type of brown sugar, your preference. I use this one, period. Then you're gonna need some baking soda, like this one, you know, your preference. I know there's different brands, but this is my preference. This is my preference in flour. So you're gonna need flour, salt, you already know, butter, like I said, preference wise, this is the one I picked. This is the one I'm gonna use. Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know. Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know.